Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to make a smart irrigation system with the help of Arduino Uno. The platform we are using is the Proteus 8 Professional. Okay, first of all, you must know that some of the components we are using in this project are not the integral part of the Proteus. So you should have to download the file whose link is given in the description so that you can download the accurate file and to use all these libraries and components. Okay, now first we will take our Arduino Uno. So we will take our Arduino Uno and we can place it here. First, we also need one soil moisture sensor, because if you want to irrigate some of the farm or some of the land or even a small part of the plant, we need a soil moisture sensor. So we can take our soil moisture sensor. Okay, this is our soil moisture sensor. Okay, now after it we need one serial monitor for to observe some of our output. So this is our serial monitor. After it we need one fountain. Okay, and for it we can this is our fountain. Okay, now we need to operate this fountain with the help of our soil moisture sensor. Okay, now we need to connect this A0 pin of the what's called as the Arduino to the out pin, that is D0 pin of the soil moisture sensor. And for to operate this fountain we also need one animated relay. Okay, we can take this relay, and this relay must operate on 5 volts. Okay, now connect it like that. Also take one ground. So this is our ground. Okay, now we will connect one end with the pin number 13 of the Arduino and the second end of the coil with the ground. Okay, now this is our circuit configuration. One more thing, that we need to give some sort of like pulse on our soil moisture sensor. So for it we need one push button. So this is our push button. We need to connect it with the input pin of the sensor. Okay, like this, and change it to 5 volts. Okay, now this is our complete circuit configuration. Yeah, one more thing, that we want to see, that we also like change it to 5 volt, or if it is 12 volts still it's okay. No need to change it. For it you just need to give one like DC volt to this line and change it to 12 volts. Okay, now our circuit is completed. We just need to go to our what's called as the Arduino Uno. Compiler. Okay, now this is our Arduino compiler. So let's open it up. Okay, this one is our sketch, and we need to open our, yeah, this is our sketch. Like you can see, this is white setup and all this. So you can see that we have declared our serial communication here and pin number 13 as output. Also there is an analog read in order to monitor the soil moisture sensor output on the what's called as the GPIO, and then we need to print our output on the serial monitor. Okay, now we will run it. Okay, now we can copy it out, double click on Arduino and paste it out here like that. Okay, now we need to run it. Oh, no more. Yes, there isn't any sort of model. So right click on it, go to edit properties, then click on attach hierarchy module. Okay, now we need to, okay, now you can see that the values are 127. When we will like press it, it's a 255. Okay, why it is, okay, now it is 255. So our fountain must have to be operated properly. It is 12 volt, and okay, so this is operational. Okay, wait, now wait, can we directly connect this 12 volt with this wire? Yes, like this and this one. Now can we, yes, it is 12 volts. So yeah, now it is operating. Yeah, it is operating perfectly. So okay, now like this and this one. Okay, why it is not operating properly? We have to like this and then this. This is 255, and then okay, wait. Okay, we can shift this setup here like this. Okay, so that it will work properly. Okay, we also need to, okay, now, oh, the our relay is not working. Why it is so? Although the its pin number 13 is low. Okay, can we make it like to 5 volts? Oh, it is 12 volts, so it must be 5 volt. Yeah, so like this. Okay, now it will be working. Okay, so when our soil moisture sensor value is low, yes, we can see that our fountain is not going to work at all. But when our soil moisture sensor will give any sort of pulse, then we can see that uh, our fountain is running. So in this way you can simulate it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for visiting our channel.